Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are set. Update Freeform and confirm iCloud sync, then duplicate the problematic board so you have a safe copy. Open the original board and scan for obvious corrupted objects or heavy media. Once done, remove one large attachment to test responsiveness. If the board is slow, split content into 2 temporary boards. This first action gets you into a controlled state and prevents data loss while you begin the actual repair steps. Now you isolate the cause by systematically selecting groups of objects and toggling visibility. You should test by exporting suspect images or PDFs and re-importing smaller versions. If a widget crashes, remove it and replace with a static screenshot, because complex embeds often break synchronization. Make sure to save progress frequently. Once a section behaves, migrate safe items back to a fresh board. This methodical replacement narrows down the failure and restores usable content. Finish by assembling the cleaned items onto a fresh board and confirming iCloud sync completed successfully. Once done, remove the old corrupted board to avoid confusion. If you still encounter hangs, clear the app cache, restart your device, then reopen Freeform to force a fresh download. Make sure to wait through sync fully. If issues persist despite these steps, keep the duplicated copy intact and contact support with the copied board attached. This preserves evidence and speeds troubleshooting for deeper problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.